Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are answering a hot question, that is full stack development really the future? With AI tools, low code platforms, and tech evolving fast, do we still need developers who do it all? Let's just try to find that out in today's video. So full stack developers can build both the front end and back end for applications, making them incredibly flexible and valuable. But here is what is changing. AI is now speeding up front-end design, back-end logic, and even database work. Tools like Copilot, Gemini, and Claude Code can auto-generate the large chunks of code. So you might think, does it replace the full stack development? So the clear answer here is no, it makes them stronger. Companies now want dev to who can actually manage the full pipeline, APIs, database, UI, and even DevOps. And why is that so? Because it reduces the team size, improves coordination, and speed up shipping. The full stack isn't just about coding, it's about system thinking, knowing how each part connects, and that's something AI can assist with but not fully replace. Plus, startups and small companies especially need flexible devs who can wear many hats. That's why full stack roles are still in high demand. So, is full stack development the future? Absolutely, but enhanced with AI. The devs who adopt, learn how the new tools work, and understand the full system will lead the way. So, what do you think about it? Are you going full stack or focusing on one side? Drop a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. I will see you in the next one.